Hey guys, it's JD from Pawn's Little World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this USB microphone made by Monodeal. Now this is a $30 USB microphone that you guys can find on Monodeal's website. Links will be down below this video if you want to go check this thing out. And guess there's not really much more to say about it, so let's go and start with showing you around the box. You can see on the front, has some stuff up here. Nice little picture of what it looks like. Conference mic UM10, which I would assume is the model number. On the side here, it just says, keep it upright, don't drop it, don't leave it in the rain, obviously. Same thing on the side here. We also, on the back, have a label. And then on the back here, we have the specs right here. So we have sensitivity, sound pickup range, frequency range, and so on. We also have the system requirements, which is Windows 7 or macOS 10.6 or later. So let's go and open this thing up. And I actually just shot this opening clip a minute ago, but I noticed there's actually a little product warranty sticker right here, which I think it has a code, which I don't really want to give that away. So let's go in and just kind of have it over here, because obviously I don't want to show that sticker really. Looks like inside we have a USB cable right there. Looks like USB-C, which is actually pretty nice. We also have the microphone itself right here, which is actually pretty small, smaller than what I expected. And also the user manual right here. Set the box off to the side. And here is the user manual. As you can see, again, the specifications right there. Looks like it also works on Windows 7, 8, and 10. It didn't say that on the back of the box. So there's that overview right there, what the different lights mean. I kind of just want to flip through this in case yours maybe didn't come with the user manual, or in case you're wondering how to use it. Well, there you go. Right there, go and pause the video if you want to take a look at any of this. And here is the microphone itself. I'm going to take it out here. And here it is. Feels really good, truthfully. Looks like it has some metal on the back, some rubber here to grip onto a table, little button here to mute. Yeah, check it out. This thing's very, very tiny. Again, pretty small, a lot smaller than what I was expecting, and also feels really nice. Here is the cable. Let's go ahead and wrap it here. Now this is a USB-A to a USB-C, which I'm actually really happy to see the USB-C on here. They probably could have gone with, micro USB or something, but they probably chose USB-C for the extra durability. Very long cable, very, very long. And you plug it into the back of here, and you plug this into your computer. In this case, I'm probably going to try it out on my, actually I'm going to try it out on the iMac. So I guess next clip will probably be me talking into this thing and then it going into the computer. I don't know, I'll figure something out to demonstrate the audio quality. Alright, so actually what you are hearing right now is actual audio coming from this microphone. Now on video, this is just a clip that I recorded earlier, just showing around the box and stuff. It's nothing important, but this is what the audio sounds like coming from the microphone. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. I'll go over it in just a second here whenever this clip ends, which will be just about right now. Alright, so there it was, a quick little audio test on this microphone. And I've got to say, so far, I'm actually pretty happy with it. I reviewed the video/audio a minute ago, and it sounds pretty good in my opinion. It sounds about what I was expecting for the price of this microphone. Again, definitely doesn't sound the greatest, but definitely doesn't sound the worst in my opinion, not the worst I've heard. Again, about what I was expecting for the price. So there it is, pretty good microphone so far. Again, this is kind of initial impressions. I haven't had a long-term test with this thing. I've just tried it out for, half a minute that you guys just saw that previous clip. That's the first time I've tried it. But so far, it seems to be a pretty good microphone. Again, first impressions, only time will tell how long the thing lasts, or maybe if we have any future problems down the road. But so far, it seems to be a nice microphone. Also, I just want to point out again, the build quality on this thing is just it's kind of mind-blowing in my opinion. I don't know why they make a microphone so nice, but they did. The thing really feels very solid. As far as I can tell, it's made completely out of metal except for the mute and unmute button right here. And by the way, whenever it is unmuted, it illuminates green, and whenever it is muted, it illuminates red, and you could turn off the, or you can make it muted or unmuted by just simply pressing this button here, and then the color there tells you if it's muted or unmuted. So again, there it is. Pretty good microphone in my opinion. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.